Fujian Nanwang Environment Protection Scientech Company Limited. Greener Packing, Better World. As a leading high-tech enterprise providing one-stop technology in the domestic, environmental-friendly paper packaging field, we focus on the R&D, production, and sales of paper product packaging. Our products cover environmentally friendly paper bags, food paper packaging, non-woven bags, insulated bags, as well as thermal paper receipts and labels. These products are widely applied in social consumption fields such as clothing, footwear and hats, leisure food, catering, supermarkets and general merchandise, and pharmacies. Since its establishment in 2010, the total assets have exceeded 2.5 billion yuan. It has become the first listed company in the Chinese environmental-friendly paper bag industry, adding visible single-item champion in the industry. It has been on the list of China's top 100 packaging and printing enterprises for 6 consecutive years. By 2024, the company has 94 authorized domestic patents, including 11 invention patents and 5 authorized overseas patents. At the same time, it actively promotes the digital transformation of the enterprise, realizes the interconnection of HEV plus 5G technology with systems such as MES, realizes the unmanned, automated, and digitalized production process, and the intelligent logistics management. This not only improves the production efficiency, but also reduces the labor cost and safety risks. The visual inspection and rejection system uses industrial cameras, intelligent image processing technology, and high-precision algorithms to conduct a comprehensive inspection of the product appearance. Unqualified products are automatically rejected and diverted, reducing manual intervention and improving inspection efficiency. The WMS Intelligent 3-dimensional warehouse constructs a multi-layer shelf system to minimize the floor area occupation and increase the storage density. At the same time, combined with automated storage and retrieval equipment, it can quickly and accurately complete goods storage and retrieval operations, which realize efficient storage and improve the overall operation efficiency. In 2024, the second phase Intelligent Factory of Nanwang was fully put into use. It is a core production area for technological innovation and production capacity improvement, achieving an annual production of over 2.247 billion paper product packages. In the future, we will continue to practice the enterprise mission of greener packing, better world, and adhere to the enterprise vision of leading the industry, becoming the most trusted partner of world-class brands, so that the products of Nanwang can reach every corner of the world and beautify human life and our common home. Fujian Nanwang Environment Protection Scientech Company Limited.